Okay, so this is Renault Clio 3. This is the 1.2 16 valve turbo, and I'm changing the rear brakes. I've done one already, and I'm just going to do this last one here. Take that off. There's the hub. Alright, so once I get my finger out of the way, the next thing to do is to take this off. So get a screwdriver in there, like so. You might need to get a hammer. Tap away. Like that. Okay. Once you've got the cap off, it's down there somewhere, you need a number 30 socket for that, and you're gonna need a pry bar, or if you've got a windy gun, use a windy gun, but it's going to be a tough job with a pry bar, and you're going to need to bang the shit out of that, bang the hell out of that to loosen it up. Here we go. Okay, so it's going to be really tough. Now, this is I put the phone down and thought I paused it, but I hadn't. So this is kind of got a bit of give.